We're going to the Directors Club! Yeah. So for today, we're going to SM Aura. Mag-Spider-Man kami. The last Spider-Man that we had was 4 years ago. I searched sa ChatGPT kung kailan yung huling Spider-Man, and I was right. The last Spider-Man was released December 2021, and we had our Spider-Man by that time, around January, and that marks our first date. And 4 years later, ito na, manonood na kami ulit ng Spider-Man. And buti nasa lupa pa siya, kaya time kami manood ng Spider-Man. Yeah. Yung Sinapon. And then si RJ, he's looking at Frankie's. Isa pong cold brew na vanilla and cream. And then isang dalandan.
Ang pinakamalaki ang
wala, isang size lang. One size lang.
16.
Tapos pupunta kami ng Frankie's. Bibili kami ng manok. I don't know if may magustuhan siyang burger or manok lang.
Burger. Ito. Spicy chicken sandwich.
Spicy chicken sandwich. We're buying here in Frankie's. Take out po.
25 minutes in service na okay lang po.
Okay lang. Isang spicy chicken sandwich, tsaka isang buffalo chicken burger.
Sa spicy ma'am, naka-default siya sa sister fry. Sa buffalo ma'am, ano po size? Fries or nachos?
Fries na lang po.
Anything else po na?
Yan lang po. So we had time sa Frankie's.
Punta muna tayo dun sa ticketing.
Dito. La 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 la. Team Pink today. Ayun, namatay na yung ilaw ng camera. Para discreet lang. Saboten. 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 So we're here in IMAX. Pero Directors Club kami today. So we're here in the tickets. Para verify natin yung ticket. Kasi we bought it online last night. With our tickets. We bought the ticket online. Kung may gagawin pa ba dyan.
Green ka lang.
Sige po.
Under Ma'am Angela.
Yes po.
The ticket?
Yes po. B1 and B2.
Yung free chips and bottled water ma'am, isi-serve na lang sa loob.
Thank you so much.
Next po.
Oh, ganun lang pala. Kasi first time ko bumili ng ticket online. So, pupunta lang pala ng ticket and then they'll print it out.
Case DIY yun. Meron na palang ganun.
Yung alin?
Case DIY. Magkano ba yun na maabot?
Hindi ko alam.
Yung gagawa ka ng sarili ng case.
Maganda kaya? Ito yung sinasabi niya, case DIY. $500.
Tapos ganito lang naman ang itsura niya.
Kaya nga parang matte finish lang. So it's a waiting game. We're waiting for all of our orders. So we're waiting for the Frankie's na lang kasi we already have our drinks. Siya, sa kanya coffee.
Hindi masarap.
Nandito masarap. Ano yung vanilla cream? Vanilla cream cold brew, and mine is dalandan. Then we still have an order coming from Frankie's. We ordered burgers. Tapos we printed out our tickets na. Ayan. So, pipicturean ko lang yung sarili namin for my Insta. seated. Sa taas. So, meron tayong tenta na ano? Ang cute! Tagal lang practice. Want me to help you? Okay na to?
Popcorn ko na. Ikaw magawa sa popcorn. Kahit yung pinakamali.
Okay. Gusto pa niya ng popcorn.
Ito nag-signal light oh. Nakakas. Kaso nakita mo.
May signal light sa likod. Yung nag-yellow. Kasi merong robot doon. La 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 la. Sobrang dami ng hawak ni Arjip. Na-manage pa niyang makahawak ako sa kanya. We're going to the Directors Club! So we're waiting in the Directors Club. Sabi nila may lounge daw dito, pero dami naman na tao. So we have lots of food. We also have his large popcorn. Tapos may drinks, tapos may burger pa. Tignan natin kung mauubos or iuuwi namin siya later. Hindi na siya makatiis. Gusto niya ng...
Yan.
Ito na lang. Approved. Sarap. Powdered. Ito.
Taters number 1 pa din.
Wow. Mamaya na. I-shake pa natin siya later. We're now entering. Ayan. So this what look like. Oh my God.
Ito na.
Hindi. Dito ka na lang.
Para magpuputik, huwag magmamaneho kapag nakainom o nasa impluensya ng droga kapag sobrang pagod o inantok. Lagi mag-ingat sa daan para ang biyahe, dire-diretso lang.
Ready to have fun at SM? Do the super assistance. Small acts of kindness help create big moments for everyone. Keep your devices silent and screens dim.
Spider-Man muna.
Shopping experience.
Bye.
Catch up on the latest tech and save big on your needs. 100 coupons for whatever you want.
Grabe, sobrang komportable ko sa Directors Club. Like, yeah, the movie's done. Just, hindi ko mo, diba? Look at him. He's so cute. Hindi namin nakain ng burger. Such a good movie. Grabe, pangit pala ng hair to. Such a good movie.
Grabe namang puzzle yung iniwan na post-credit. No?
Kaya nga, ganun lang naman yung... Di ba?
Ah. Sunod na labas ni Spider-Man, walaan ko lang sa Guardians of the Galaxy.
Ayan si Hawk, ah.